Hello, I'm meteorologist Dan Pope here in the Weather Center. Notice we have a lot of clouds moving in. You get the yellows. Those are the colder cloud tops where the precipitation is beginning to fall. Over here in Nevada, we have a fairly good circulation beginning to develop, and there are actually two circulations. So it's this zone right in here that is going to become a very major factor in our weather on Tuesday. And travel will become difficult on 191, especially around Monticello and the Pass. And heading over down into the lower elevations, it'll be mainly rain below 4,500 feet. But still, this is something that we have to contend with, something that we have to worry about. Here's the wider view. Two circulations, one here, one here. The two are combining into one. And already we're starting to see the clouds shoot out ahead. And then there's something out here that's going to dive down. And one computer model says it'll go like this. The other computer model says it'll go like this. Then there's one computer model, the one I'm going to show you, that shows it coming down right over the top of Utah. So really questionable what the weather's going to be like on Wednesday. But the bottom line is, let's look at Tuesday's forecast and talk about how serious it is going to be with advisories for snow in the mountains, the La Salle, the Bajo, the Henrys. The southwest mountains have winter storm warnings. And we're certainly going to see accumulating snow in Monticello and Blanding and in the higher elevations of south central, southeastern Utah. We go through this is very early in the morning on Tuesday already, precipitation falling widespread across Moab. This is the morning hours in Moab, mid-morning hours, and towards the noontime. So a pretty good chance for some snow and rain. And notice what happens, a little bit later in the afternoon. We get a really heavy band of showers and snow that develop right there in the southeastern corner of the state around Blanding and Monticello. That is a heavy snow band that will hit right around, this would be noon. And there's 3 p.m. and then here we are at about 6 p.m. Notice the storm beginning to pull away. And then, as I mentioned, this computer model wants to bring that storm system out in the Pacific down through the state, but it looks like it would have an impact primarily on the western side of the state, not so much on the eastern side of the state. So with that in mind, here's your forecast for southeastern Utah. Rain and snow level 4,500 feet. Monticello, you'll get heavy snow, Blanding some heavy snow, even some snow close to Bluff, but it'll probably be a little bit on the rainy side there. Escalante snow, Torrey and Bicknell. This is a storm system with a southeasterly flow, and these kinds of storms often will upslope and hit Torrey and Bicknell and Loa and Capitol Reef harder than typical storms because the flow is circulating counterclockwise and it moves up against the backside of Thousand Lake Mountain and Boulder Mountain and also the Wasatch Back. So Emery County, again, eastern side of those mountains in an upslope situation. So let's put this forecast into more of a perspective. Rain and snow likely in Moab, an 80% chance, and then mostly cloudy Wednesday, a 20% chance for a shower. The next storm system Sunday, Monday coming through, a little bit questionable. One computer model from Europe and the other one from Canada says some storminess begins to move in Sunday, Monday. Yesterday, the United States computer model said, yes, storminess Sunday, Monday. Today, it's a little bit uncertain. So 2 out of 3 say a storm system coming in Sunday, Monday. So we'll kind of watch it, keep you posted. But right now, just put a 30% chance in there for Monticello Sunday, Monday. But let's focus on Tuesday. 100% chance for snow with accumulations, road conditions deteriorating, 191 becoming a sloppy mess. So if you have to travel north through Blanding and up into Monticello and then down towards Moab in that area, those higher elevations, not very good for travel. And US 6 going north up over Soldier Summit, not good as you get into the higher elevations. And also just one of those days if you don't need to travel in the higher country, just don't do it. And then here's your Blanding forecast. Snow likely, 39 for a high, so it's a slushy, wet snow. Should melt a bit as temperatures warm into the 40s, and then we'll call for mostly cloudy skies on Sunday and Monday of next week. So I'm meteorologist Dan Pope. Thank you for clicking into this weather forecast here on the web. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again tomorrow.